Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to integrate Shopify with Amazon. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So, to do this, all you have to do is simply open your Shopify store, and from here, you can see the Apps section on the left side, slightly at the bottom. Click on it once, and then you can see there is an option of Shopify App Store. Click on it. Once the loading finishes, search for Amazon in the search bar. From the results, you can select Amazon Importer Spreader app. Click on it and then install it. Once you've installed it on your Shopify account, soon Amazon will be integrated with Shopify. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.